Hi everyone, welcome back to Leads Flex. Today I'm going to show you how I designed this sleek and modern sales funnel section in a GoHighLevel using custom CSS and to make it pop. And if you are looking to high converting landing page or sales funnel, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Stick around and I will guide you step by step. Let me show you the section that I have designed in a GoHighLevel. And of video I will also provide you custom code as well. Don't worry about that. Yes, for example, you can go see it's a hover effect, and also when you hover on any section, other two sections will be hide. Here you can see. Okay, let me go back in a backend and I will show you how I designed this. It's a super easy, no worry about anything. I just take a section, make a funnel, and in funnel what I did in a post, I just take a section where I put my logo elements, where I put my text. What I did here, I take a section, and in a section I took 3 columns here. You see, it's a first column. These are 3 columns. In a column background I take an image on a column, and then I will take another element, it's called text, and same here and same here. And what I did with the code, I just select this whole section and I will show you some custom code here. What I did, I select the whole section, whole container, where I put this codes, this CSS code, and also I just put these images roots as well. You need to select your images roots here, and you need to put your code here. It's a super easy. I just show you step by step. I just go to here, you see I just take a class, it's called blur effect containers, and I just select this one and I will show you CSS, and you see blur effect container. I just take class here, and also I will take here. What I did in the next, yeah, that's it. And what I did for the column section, I just go to here, and in this case you are able to see here I just take a class card. What I did here, and with the blur effect I also select the card hover as well, and here I select the card as well. I just provide you code. You can put the class name here and you can change according to your requirement, according to your name and sections as well, and then you can put just this code. It's a awesome feature, and you can use on your funnel. It will be convert your more sales and more leads. It looks too good and amazing for your funnel. If you need any of landing page services or sales funnel services with great ROI, then you can go to Leads Flex, book free consultation, and I will discuss your all the detail. And here you can check my portfolio as well. We have a great portfolio with the amazing landing pages and all the stuff. And also if you go with my affiliate link, if you buy can GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, I will jump with on a call, and I will do free of cost GoHighLevel configurations, and also I will do white label services free of cost for you, like this one, and like I just put domain here, just this branding. I will do all the stuff free of cost for you if you go with my affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching this video.